Good morning, children. Welcome to the class of Social Science. In this subject, today you are going to see the continuation of your History Unit 2. Okay, yes. Before of moving to the main lesson, I want to make you to recall your previous subject. Okay, that means previous what that you have learned. In the previous class, you know about origin of human, and you understand about earth evolution, and from the earth evolution to modern man life, and next you know about what the meaning of archaeology and what is the study of anthropology and stages of human evolution, and last we analyze about chromognons. Okay, and next radiocarbon dating means what, and last you have seen in the previous class regarding the hunting and the food gathering. During that learning of the hunting and food gathering, this is the last class, last slide. See, yes, how that ancestors were, they hunted what are all the types of animals: pig, deer, bison, rhino, elephant and bear. For what cause? For the purpose of food. Okay, even though the scavenger, the animal killed by the other animals, they taken as their food, as what, the killed animal which were killed by some other wild animals. Okay, children, yes. And after you have learn about the collected of honey through by the bees, and the plucking of fruits from the trees, and dug out the tubers from the ground. Okay, yes. And the main work that our ancestors had done in a forest is what, the collection of grains is also you have learned in previous class. Okay, children. And at last, see in the slide, the overhides of animals and barks of trees and leaves for protecting their bodies during the winter. Our ancestors were protected their body through by what? Through by wearing the barks of that is no leaves of trees and barks of trees. Okay, yes, to be as no against to protect from the winter. Okay, children, this is our last the completion of the session. Now let me move to the new slide, which is going to start as our today's class. See, this slide is given a clear idea about the stone tools and weapons which were used by our ancestors. Okay, yes, the tools and weapons were used by them during the period of hunting. Okay, see the picture. These tools are not made up of with the using of iron. These tools are made by using of hard stones. Okay, children, see the shape of each and every tools and weapons, see how they are differ from each other. Okay, children, by using of these tools, like as a sharp edged tool were used for our ancestors to the purpose of hunting. Okay, and even though it is used for what, to kill the wild animals also. Yes, children, see the picture as one glance. Okay, yes, these are all called as the stone tools. Okay, and weapons which are all used by our past early man. Okay, yes, see here now the hunting methods how our ancestors followed. Okay, here the picture, the two pictures which given a clear idea about the hunting and afterwards capturing the wild animals. Okay, you gain a clear idea from this picture on seeing. See, during the period of hunting, here our ancestors were not gone to the hunting as a single person. They just go to the dense forest along with a group of 30 to 40 members, and they were started to do their hunt. Okay, yes, started to do their hunting. See here, the wild life such as deers and wild pig were hunted by the ancestors very cruelly. At that period, they were used a harmful materials such as no. This is what such as no. That's what the iron tools and weapons were used for killing of what, killing of the wildlife. Okay children, yes, even though for cutting to the no the the flesh of animals from their body also, it is they are utilized the method of using of stone tools. Okay, and see here the next picture is depict you about that. What, they dig a pit and trap the animal and hunt. Afterward they started to hunt. This is a tactics of our ancestors. How that means, it is impossible to what, to catch the elephant just like that by the human being. Okay, yes, as a nomadic way. But see here the way how our ancestors or followed it to capture the to catch the elephant. That elephant is a wild elephant. The elephant, the method of the tactics is what, no, they first they dig a pit. Okay, and afterwards without seeing the pit is there, the elephant were unfortunately dropped into the pit. So this is a right time to be home to the hunters, where they have to be herd the animal through by using of their stone tools and weapons. Afterward they started to hunt it. Okay children, yes, the elephants most overly hunted by the hunters because of for his valuable tusk. Okay, see the trunk, his tusk, it is used as for that this ivory. This were cost in the market of international level is too high. Okay, so because of that the elephants are hunted by the hunters. Okay, nowadays it is banned by our government of India, even though entire world also. Okay, yes, hurting to the wildlife is prohibited. Okay children, yes, see now another, next you are going to see about the topic of art of flaking. Okay, yes, flaking means it is giving a shape to the stones. How? That is mean keeping a stone in the bottom and sharpening it with another one stone. Through by that, here our ancestors were created their own stone tools. Okay children, and see here this picture is giving a view about one of our ancestors who is making, that is no, who making a sharp stone tools by using of another one stone to give the sharpness of the tools. Okay, next see here, to make a stone tool 2 stones were taken. Yes, of course, with along with one single stone it is impossible to create the weapons tools of stone. So for here we need how many stones? 2 stones. Okay, it was one was used as a hammer. Okay, you know that, no, you have seen the hammer in your home also, which is used for what, to as to drop inside the wall the nail. Okay, the nail which is dropping inside the wall. So at that time we are be using what hammer is using, no, so that is called as hammer. So hammer to sharpen the other for removing flakes. So after removing the, see here in this picture, after removing the giving the shapes to the edges where got a shape of very sharp. Okay, and by using of the sharp stone, our ancestors were used as, this is a hunting tool. Okay, that the hunting tool is called as stone tool. Okay children, yes, see here hunting is a main occupation of our ancestors, that is a human being who live in the past. They are called as ancestors. Okay, such as Homo sapiens and Neanderthals, etc., what we have seen in previous class. Okay children, and see now, it is very difficult to the human being to kill a big animal, a wide, huge animal, just like us, what, elephant. So, and with a stick or stone, it is impossible. So, for that, they have used the way of using what, the weapons which are created by the sharpened stone tools. So, most overly, human being, or that means those who are belong to the past, they are used much more of the sharpened weapons. Okay, that too also created not from the iron tools, it is created by the stone tools. Okay, see example of the Chikimuki kal. The pronunciation is Chikimuki kal. It is called as flint. Okay, in English. See, it is known for its strength and durability. Of course, it is very strengthiest stone, which created what through by dashing the stones each other, it created what, it created fire. So it is strengthened and durability. Humans spend a lot of hours in search of what, in search of flint stones. It is very easily not available at anywhere. Okay children, yes, so for our ancestors, even though now also the people were in the searching and the type of flint stones by spending of lot of hours. Okay, they made a sharp weapons and tools with the help of what, with the help of the stone tools were created only through by the factors of what, stones. Okay, yes, and fitted them with a wood to grip them. Here the sentence giving a clue about wood to grip them means what, which tool is got at the wood grip. Here we can say the example of axes. Okay, yes, human created tools like axes with big stones, even though nowadays the axes were produced by the manufacturers as a name, as the using of the materials what, iron, a hard iron. But in the olden days our ancestors were used to created the tool like axes by using of what, a hard sharp stone is called as axes. Okay children, yes, what are all the uses of this axes? This axes were used as lot for what, for as to make, to cut trees and remove barks and dig pits, hunt animals and remove the hunted animals skin from their body. So these are all the uses where we received from which one, we are received from the axes. Okay children, yes, see here humans discovered the use of fire. Yes, it is our ancestors' second invention. See, our ancestors first of all invented the tool is known as stone tool, and here you take the note his, that means our past human being was discovered, the second invention is called as what, fire. Okay children, yes, the second stage of invention of man is fire. And take the notes of the third stage of man is stone wheel, and fourth he invented a what, pot making. Let me see as one by one. See, human beings discovery as a unique discovery is one is use of fire. Okay, still now the invention of our ancestor fire is using a lot at present too. Okay, yes, see here, at first human were afraid of fire and lightning. Before our ancestors were no, they have that is no, they got a strange about on seeing of that new things, just like as thunders on the sky, and even though rain, and afterwards a fast blowing of what, storms etc. were created afraid to our ancestor during the past periods, that is no, the pre-periods. But nowadays we are all adjusted to live along with this natural hazardness, so we couldn't have any differentiate in this one. Okay children, but at first humans were afraid on seeing of fire. Nowadays you just taken during the festival period, that's just like as a Deepavali, even though a small children is also enjoy to be fire what, crackers. Okay, but it is very bad to make the fire without any help of the elders. Okay, children. So far, your parents and your the grandparents were advised you to be keep away from the water, away from the fire. So don't go very near to the fire without elders' help. Don't be play along with the crackers, like these are all the advices through by whom, through by our elders. Okay, children, yes, of course. So fire means our ancestors were afraid because of its lightning. Of course, it's give very harmful to what, to the life. So probably fire caused by lighting and killed many wild animals. Okay, as no suddenly sometimes fire was took places in dense forest too during the period of when, during the period of summer season. Why that means there were a lot of humid, temperature is more, so for that the sunny created and make the fresh trees and plants turn as to be as a dry one. So for the dense forest were started to burn because of heavy sun. Okay, sunny reason. Okay, see here. So fire means everyone can be afraid about that. Okay, children, see now, humans tasted the flesh of the killed animals, which was soft and tasty. How our ancestor came to know about the taste of what, the taste of animal flesh? That means through by when in past times they have sawed then and there, and during the what is the accident of the fire which has took places in the dense forest. At that time, some wild animals were killed because of the fire. What are all the animals were able to taken as a food? So that type of animals were founded by our ancestors, and once they have tried to be take the that no fired body of animals, at that time they came to know a truth. That means when the animals was burned into the fire, at that time their flesh were turned to soft and it give taste. Okay, so from that time, human being was started to know how to be cook what, how to be cook the animals. For example, hen, okay, and goat, etc. See, this made humans aware of the effect of fire. They came to know the reality, what the fire is done, what are all the effects, like that they came to know. See next slide. They used flint stone, that means the chikimuki they used as more for what, to create fire, and afterwards used it to protect them from even the predator. Predators means the new creature, someone is a new creature which gave harm to the human being is called as predators. And for that fire is used for cooking food and for creating light during the night hours. So thus fire became an important for man in the olden times, okay, in the olden periods. Now see the next subtitle, human invention. Human invented that next great invention. It is called as what, the third invention of our ancestor. What is the third invention? It is the wheel. This was the first scientific invention of our ancestor, that means the side of humans. And next he was slowly started to use his brain. That means our ancestors were started to use their brain and cognitive skill. Cognitive, they wanted to create. They have that is no founded the creative skills on themselves. Okay, children, yes. The method of hunting, example, the method of hunting, the method of what, the dressing, and the method of cooking, etc. Okay, children, yes, this is a cognitive skill development. And even that is no they have shown their hunting style also in cognitive skill using methods. Okay, yes, see now, invention of the wheel. What are all the benefits that our ancestors had received from the past to at present and now the modern man? Okay, see here, wheel is the foremost invention by human beings. Is one of the important investment. When he saw the stones rolling down from the mountain. This is a one of his a clue to him to create what, to made a wheel. Okay, when he saw the stone rolling down from the mountains, probably they would have got an idea. Definitely they got the idea from that. Why not we made a wheel which is used to roll from one place to another place. That is a main objects. Okay, a heavy object from to move as one place to another place. So for that we have seen the wheels on the cart. Okay, yes, see, this is a picture which is depict you about what it is, a shape of wheel, first invention of a human being. That is our ancestors first invention is this wheel. This wheel is not made up of any wood. Actually this wheel is made up of firstly from the use of stone, hard stone. Okay, that is a mountain stone. See how our ancestors are very creativities. Okay, yes. And come to the next slide, children. This is pot making. Regarding human learned to make pot with clay. First our ancestors came to know the idea about the pots were created by using of what? The using of clay. Clay is a type of gummy soil. Okay, children, through by using of it we can make what? Pot. The invention of wheel is also simultaneously used for making what? Pot easier. The pots made were after the pots made, they were burned, taken to the procedure of burn to make it even though stronger. If we are not burn the pots which are all produced by the potters as directly, we can use means suddenly it broken into pieces. So for the next stage of the pot production is what? No, the second stage it is turned into as what? Turned to the burn. Okay, yes. That next see here, they, even though our ancestors were used to decorate the pots by using of various colors, how they have taken the colors? They have taken the color, that means the dyes, from the extracts of roots, leaves and barks. Okay, children, yes. For example, you see the beetroot is an example of giving colors under leaves. Even though when you crush the leaves, no, you can see that the leaves were emit the greeny color. Okay, the liquid like a somewhat so liquidly the green color water. Okay, and afterwards even the barks means we can say the example of neem tree bark which has given a yellowish color. So for these type of the color dyes were taken from the extracts of roots, leaves and barks. So these natural dyes were used in even though for rock painting also. Children, you know about very well that what you have learned in our previous unit, that means unit 1. What is our unit 1? That the lesson unit 1 is regarding what? That is what is history. In that lesson, what is history? You have known about our ancient period ancestors who are used to draw what? Used to draw the rock painting. In that one we have came to know about rock painting regarding. Okay, children, and see that next. Here the picture is tell you about a clear idea regarding how our ancestors were started to be create pot by using of what? Clay. Okay, children, yes. And see, now we are going to move to that slide of new one, which the slide is a picture regarding hunting scenes in which men and women are taking part. See, this picture is actually blurred. It is not given as somewhat as clear view to you, but still this is belong to the old age picture. But these pictures are not a nowadays technology used pictures. It is drawn on a rock. So these are all by using of the colors, natural colors and somewhat dye colors. So these pictures are drawn by our ancestors. So this picture is too dull. Okay, children, yes, see here hunting scene which depicted where the men and women are taking part during the hunting. Also our ancestors were took part along with coexistence of both men and women. Children, yes, see now Blurred tweaks are seen. Yes, of course. In this picture, the blurred tweaks are seen in the below picture. Ancestors' pictures. It created what? It is the first thought of humanity in the world. This is the first picture and this is the first art which has given by our ancestor to this world as a evidence what they have lived in past. Before use of the language, human express their feeling throughout only by this action. How? The action is called as drawing the pictures. Okay, even though the pictures were drawn on were not in the paper in the olden days, the drawings were took place and on the rocks. Okay, and the rocks and afterwards on the wall of the caves, children. Yes, these are all the proofs. And see, rock paintings, you know as very well about the rock paintings. The rock paintings give some information about the past. Definitely through by the rock paintings we have learned a lot about our ancestors, children. Yeah, approximately there are nearly 750 caves. Caves means you know as very well, they are not a modern houses, they are the home for our ancestors who lived in a past years. Okay, the early period, before knowing what, before knowing the technology, they have what, they have lived in a caves. That the caves in India is founded at present 750 caves, and in which 500 caves have undertaken as a painting. They were painted by our ancestors. So these are all the proofs which are all taken by our Indian what? Indian archaeologist. Okay, yes, archaeological person or archaeologist we can say. Why that means we are saying it as archaeology is a study of prehistoric humans. It remind materials also given the proof about the used by our prehistoric humans, that is excavated materials remains or the main sources. Okay, so far it is called as archaeological studies. Okay, children, through by the archaeological studies we came to know our India is consist of nearly 750 caves and 500 caves, that which is having the painting at present. And there are many more undiscovered caves even too in whole through over the entire world part also, children. And see, the rock paintings depict the hunting pictures. Of course, rock paintings were given what, an idea about the hunting pictures where the male and female took part in this job. And see, at last on the rock painting you can see dancing pictures and pictures of children who are all playing there. Okay, yes, when these drawings are drawn by our ancestors during when they are not gone to the job of hunting. At that time, those who are left back in the cave, no, for that person were created this rock painting as a name of what, time passing. These are all the matters that you have learned in the previous lesson, children. You just make a recall of that. Okay, yes, take your book and just go through the lessons what that have taught you through by this classes. Okay, this online classes. Okay, children. See, next, rocks and cave paintings tell us many stories about our ancestors. Yes, really, it has give a lot of stories. Through by the rock and cave painting only we came to know about the truth, how our ancestors were lived, how their way of style is there, etc., etc. So hunting, regarding the hunting we are seeing here as a name of subtitle now. Okay, children, yes, see, there were many dang involved in hunting. A lot of tactics, a lot of techniques in the olden periods were used to be hunting method. So due to the large scale of hunting in the mountain areas and in the forest, many animals became extinct because of that one and only occupation to our ancestors were mainly they done what, the type of hunting alone. So for this causes the entire the entire forest were vanished without what, animals, that is no wild animals. So non availability of meat were created a huge problem to our ancestors. To look for after in search of the meat, our ancestors were searched here and there. Okay, afterwards he took an alternative way to be as no to satisfied his hunger. That means through by taking fruits and vegetable as his food. Okay, children, from that time fruits and vegetables were taken as a used items of our home, our ancestors, and not only our ancestors, even though we are all taking the fruits and vegetables as our day-to-day life survive. Okay, yes, children. Now see, from nomadic to settled life, the world's earliest farmers, who of course they are called as our ancestors. Why that means the seed of fruits and the nuts they are ate, where as just like that they thrown into the soil. After that, during rain, the soil gave it life. So some days later, the saplings sprouted from the soil. So on observing this, our ancestor came to know the logic. They learned a lot about about the plant, how it to grow. That is, first one, a plant grows from a single seed and yield a lot of fruits and vegetables. Is it so? Yes, children. Yes. Through by the plant grows from a single seed, of course, and it yield a lot of fruits and vegetables. And the seed that fall in near to the river beds, no, it started the spot very easily. Why that means that the river beds were enriched with the fertility of minerals. And see that next one part, point C, plant grows faster in water fed areas because the water fed areas were covered by the river beds and it is enriched with the alluvial soil. So alluvial soil is more suitable for the plant growth than any other soil of type. Okay, children? Yes, alluvial soil is very suitable for growing what type of plant? It is paddy. Okay, for paddy growing, alluvial soil is mainly used as lot. Okay, children? As for example, alluvial soil is morely available in which part of India? We can take the northern plain as example of alluvial soil. Lot of presented area. Okay, yes, next to come. Old age man realized that with proper sowing and nurturing, they could increase the number of plants more than the ones that grew naturally. He came to realize that is naturally all the lot of the plants were grown as well by dependent to the nature. So far from that time he was given to the importance for agriculture and from farming. And side by side he were interested to be domesticated the animals and use them in their farming also. Okay, during the prehistoric period, humans lived in the cave and depicted their daily events through by in what way? Through by the drawing. This sentence we already have seen about that how they have passed their time, and mostly pictures of animals were drawn on the rock painting. Isn't no, children? Yes. See, this picture is depict you regarding as what? Regarding the fishing, the time pass of our ancestors, and for the food they have catch the fish on the pond, even the river side also. Okay, and they are making farming. These are all depicted in the help of this picture, children. And see. Okay, children, I think up to here I'm going to conclude my today's session. I'm going to be continue this remaining part of our lesson in another session. Okay, take care, children. Do your homework regularly.